Hey, welcome, World System Chef Sadip. I hope that you are well. In the previous video, I have covered three predefined function interface, predicate, function, and consumer. So in this video, I will finish with the last ones. It is supplier. What is supplier? So if you want to give nothing in the input parameter, there is no argument. You don't want to give nothing, okay? But you want to get something. It's like volunteer. It's like volunteer. The same thing. Okay? Good person, this one. It's very good person. He don't receive, but he give you. Okay? Very, very well. So, in this case, you will use supplier. Okay? I repeat. If you want to get something without giving any value in the input type, so here you will use a supplier. As you can see, supplier interface is like this. Interface supplier, and there is here air type. What is the air here? There is the type of return value. Okay? And this interface contains only one abstract method. What is this abstract method? It is get. It is get. So get is like this. Get without any argument. There's no input. We give him nothing. But the return type will be air. Okay? It's so simple. Now you must know, in this interface, supplier, there is now default method and now static method. Okay? That's the difference between the previous one. Okay? So, I will show you some example before to make the summary between these four functional interface. So the first example, what I want to get the date, the current date, okay, or system date. So simple like this. To make this, we create supplier S. What is the return type? It is date. Okay? This is example, of course. It is an example, huh? After this, equal. I don't have any input argument, so parenthesis with nothing, simple arrow, and here I will do return, or without return because it is the only one statement, new date. So simple like this. Okay? And I call him system out.println. This is dot get. Like this. So simple. I can, of course, call this method get anytime that I want, huh? No problem. You can get volunteer supplier. Yes. Get as you want, number as you want. So let's go to the computer to see this execution, and we'll make second example before to make, as I said, the summary in another video between the four interface. Let's go. So I want to get the current system date at the system date, and here I will create my supplier. So like this, supplier. A return type will be date. Okay, S equal, and here, of course, I will import the date, and I will have parentheses without nothing, and simple arrow, So here what I will do, new date. Okay, so simple like this. And now I will just call the supplier like this, system.out.println s.get. Let's see the result. Previous one, let's see the result. Do you see? Here is my system date. Okay, of course, as I said, you can call it number what you want. It is volunteer. I repeat, let's go each time what you want. So let's see, here is all the values. Okay, so let's make another example now. So the second example will be like this. I have an array with the names. For example, I have 5 names, and I want to get a random value from these names. I want to get only one name, but it is random. Okay? So to achieve this, I will create the supplier to give me this random name. Let's start. Create supplier. It returns string value, so string it is a return type, s equal, simple. Parentheses, simple arrow, and here I will open my curly braces because I have a lot of statements. So I create my array, string array equal, or names equal, Faisal, Amin, Samir, Hussein, and Yusri. I have five names. Okay? Now I want to get a random name. What I will use here? I think you have listened before if you are a Java developer. You have listened the class mat in Java. Okay, there exists in the class mat in JDK, and in this class we have the method that is called random. Okay, if I call this method, so int, return int value. If I call this method int a or index or x equal mat.random, the value x will be between two values. Okay, what is this values? This value x will be the least value of the x will be 0, and the maximum value of the x is 0.999, is less than 1, not equals 1. Okay? Here is the value of the x. Now I want to get, I have my index between 0 and 4, so I have 5 values. I have 5 names. If I let it like this, what I can get? Only the first one. So, you can get a random value between 0 and 4. What I will do? I just multiply by 5. Okay? So if it is 0 by 5 is 0. If I have maximum 0.999 by 5, I have 4.995, etc. But not 5. And to get the integer value, I just cast this mat.random by 5 in integer. Okay, so here I can get the value between 0 and 4. 1.34. Okay, now I have finished, I think, the implementation. I just return the names about this index x. Okay, it's so simple like this. I just used the class mat with a random method. If you want Java course, it will be very long. Of course, not like this Java 8, but if you need it, there is a lot of things. I don't know if I can finish it because there is a lot of. It is another course. Okay, you can check the documentation of Java Mat, and you will see what it contains as a method. Okay, so now let's go to the computer to write this code and execute it to see what we can get. Okay, so let's go. So now I will create my supplier that give me a random name from my array. So supplier, the return type will be string, s2 equal simple arrow, open curly braces, and I will create my array string names equal, let's start, let's go, to forget this one, Said, Reda, Yusri, and we make 5, and Hussein. Okay, and here I will call the method, I will make int, of course that is this, and here I have int x equal mat.random. This method return double value. Okay, as you can see it is double, so I need to convert to string. Oh, okay, convert it after, no problem. Okay, so I need to convert like this in integer to get an integer value, and here I multiply by 5, as I said before, by 5 to get the value between 0 and 4. But if I make like this, let's continue and I will show you the problem. Return names of x. Okay, if I make like this, you will see system.println s2.get. Here I will get always the same value, only the first one. So let's see. So wait, I'll remove this one. I will always got I make like this. Look, only I can see here 0 0 0. Why? Because here I must include all this instruction in parentheses. Okay, all this instruction. If I make like this, it will cast only this one. Okay, so it gives me always 0 between 0 and the integer of 0 between 0 and 0.99, it's always 0, and the multiplication will be always 0. So now if I make like this, you can see the result. Do you see? I have a random number, random names. Okay, so I have finished the fourth predefined function interface that was introduced in Java 1.8. I will make another video to show you the summary between all of them. Okay, you cannot, of course, you cannot. Also, I will put all this information in the website in practice and inshallah. Don't worry. But you cannot also, remember, just practice, always practice to understand very quick and very well. Okay, you see, it's very easy. And I hope with this summary you can be more comfortable. Okay, so see you in the next video, inshallah. Take care of us, it's very important. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.